Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Today I'm going to be putting together the title for my page kit. It's a 4th of July page kit, number 92. Okay, so let's get started here. I always like to put the big pieces on first and build my way up. I'm using the Designer Dries Clear liquid glue with the fine metal tip, and I like to keep the glue about 1/8 of an inch away from the edge, just to help from too much glue oozing out when I put it down. And this glue does dry fairly quickly, so try to work a little fast there. Okay, so I'm just going to center it right on here. Okay, let's see. I'm going to put these two together. I'm going to set that aside and go ahead and put these two together real quick. So this title is in 2 parts. The background layer has the fireworks, and then this top layer is going to be the actual title part of it. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside now and come back to this piece. And what I'm going to do is lay these down first. These are all cut with glitter paper. And the glitter does not come off. It's very fine. And it cuts real nice on the machine. Okay, that looks good. Wondering if I want to put this on top of the red. Kind of like that. Okay, so I'm going to do the red and the blue. Let's see. I'm going to do the red first because the blue will overlap the red just a little bit. Now you want to do this quickly. Like I said, the glue does dry fast, and I'm barely squeezing the glue. Just enough that it'll stick, but not too much that you've got all this excess glue coming out. Okay. Okay, for this last firework, I'm going to clean off my tip because it's very, very skinny. I'm going to kind of dab it more than fly. You want to make sure you get a little bit of glue on each one, and at least the ends. You just don't want it to lift. Or catch on something when you're sliding it in your album. Okay. Okay, so there's the background piece. All right, let's work on this piece now. All right, so this one's gonna go down first. Let's go ahead and stick that on. Oh no. Oh dear. This goes on for, oh no. Let's see if I can peel that piece up. Okay, I got lucky there. Okay. So, this is going to go on first. Okay. So, don't do the red first. We're going to do the dark blue on the light blue right here. Uh-oh. Okay. Now, this one, I apologize for that. This is very delicate. Okay. So I gotta get this right under here. Oh, that little star. Oh, good. It's gonna line up. I was worried about that. Okay. So I'm just patting it because if I rub it, I can move it or rip it. So just patting it. Okay, so now you've got it like that. So now this is going to go on top. There we go. That's awesome. Okay, so I'm going to put some more glue on here. I'm glad I saw that. I was able to lift it real quick. Otherwise, I would have to start over. And I'd like to give a shout out to Miss Kate Cuttables. She actually designed this fireworks title, and the big fireworks I picked up out of, I think, a different cut file, but I pieced it all together and made one thing. But yeah, okay, let's see. And then this one is gonna go up there. Okay, that goes on top. So there's a little bit of glue oozing out, so I'm just going to take the pin from my glue bottle. Excuse me. And just kind of wipe up some of that excess glue. Okay. All right, let's see. So now we have these little stars here. I'm just going to put a little dot of glue right in the middle there. Dot. And then I just kind of tuck it up under my nail. This is so cute. Okay, and then let's see. The last little piece here. I like it. Okay. There you go. Okay, so the way this is gonna lay is right here. Now you can use your liquid glue and glue it on flat like that, or you can add dimensional adhesive like foam squares or foam tape and then pop it up and give it a little bit of dimension, which is what I am going to do, and I do not have foam squares near me, so I won't put that on in the video, but that is what it's going to look like. So it's going to have that dimensional look, or it'll be popped up. Yeah. Okie dokie. Well, there you have it. That is the title. And that is for the 4th of July Mickey and Minnie Watching Fireworks page kit number 92. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please subscribe to my channel and click that bell for notifications. And thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Have a great day.